Hi, I am Sharon and today we are at 677A Yishun Ring Road where we will visit a beautiful corner unit on the 8th floor. Let's go! Welcome to this beautiful corner unit with a wide open space right at your doorstep. This 93 square meter or 1001 square feet type 4A unit is bright and breezy with good space for everyone in the family. High element. The living room comfortably fits a 3-seater with ample space to entertain, play or work out to your favorite YouTube exercise channel. The wall-to-wall windows let in ample light to brighten the entire unit and provide good ventilation. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This master bedroom with an ensuite is a good size. It can fit a king-size bed or for this family, a queen bed and a baby cot. The attached bathroom is nicely done up with good storage space for his and her amenities. Both the master and common bathrooms have been renovated with a minimalist feel. The 2 other bedrooms can fit a queen-size bed with space to move around. That's how spacious it is. For this family, it's grandparents' room and a work-cum-gaming room. All bedrooms and the living room faces southeast direction. This apartment has an open kitchen with ample working space to prepare delectable meals for the family and friends. It also has an open and airy yard space for your laundry. This apartment is well kept with space for everyone, including the family pet. It is well located, quiet and green. Just a few steps from your block is a supermarket and a food center. Nearest MRT station is Khatib and North Point City is a stone's throw away. Looking to head to the city? It's only a 25-minute train ride to Orchard. Thank you for watching. If you're interested to know more about this lovely apartment, give me a call at 9739-1432. I am Sharon Chia from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Be awesome.